Tip 9 of 21 Exam Success Tips, written by Megan Smith. Ask for help. If you don't ask, you don't get. It is normal to feel a little lost during revision periods. Often, students finish their lessons in school a few weeks before exams start and are left to revise at home, with perhaps some scheduled revision sessions at school. While revising at home, students often come across points within their notes about which they are unsure and do not know where to turn for advice. If you have a scheduled revision session at school, ensure you make a list of questions to ask your teacher in that subject before you go into school. Before the revision lesson, ask your teacher politely whether they could spend a few minutes at the end of the class going through the points on your list. That is what Megan has written. Now, it's okay to be a little unsure about the topics. That's okay. That's life. Don't worry. Provided you invest the time and energy, your confidence will grow. I promise. The worst thing is complacency or a sense of resignation, a sense of abandonment. Say, oh, giving up, not good. Once you've identified the problematic areas, you are in a position to actually do something about it by seeking the help you need. If you are the parent watching this, you should keep reassuring your teenager to seek help, because seeking help and getting the necessary support is vital to building confidence. Well, the first point of help usually is a school teacher if they have the time. There may be a limit to the amount of time they have, but it's always good to start from there. So I will just give a short list of order of going on about things in order to seek help by a teenager in our GCSE, his or her GCSE or A-level. First of all, number one, identify problematic areas. As mentioned in the last video, using a revision guide topic list, for example, or a topic list provided by the school, or the specification, which I don't particularly like to be used because it's too complex, but it's okay. Number two, read up on the topic or topics yourself first. Read up on them first. That's what I tell the student, so that you try to understand. It saves time. Number three, ask the teacher if you come across areas that you've listed. Ask your teacher. You may need to make sacrifice by going to see them at a time which may not necessarily be convenient for you normally. But you need to make the sacrifice by trying to set aside time, if the teacher has time to give you, that is. Number four, use any revision time you may have at school. If you are asked to come to school to revise, use it. Number five, ask your parent, if you are the student watching this, ask your parent if they could organize some sort of revision, or attending a tuition center, getting a tutor, or attending intensive revision courses during school holidays or at weekends. Number six, last but not the least, follow up by completing all the tasks you are set and doing question practice. Getting help is not a substitute to hard work. It just helps to reward you and to actually put an icing on the cake for the work that you do. Because when you get this help, and then, yes, it takes your time, you need to have to follow it up by making sure you do pass questions, practice questions, and then, get a feedback. Yes, most of the past questions you do is good for you to mark it yourself, but get one or two of them marked by a teacher. Very important. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Please make a comment, and I look forward to speaking to you in my next video. Thank you for watching.